Fire that son bitch up. Thank you, Gretchen Whitmer. My taxes were wonderful this year. Thank you, Ice-T, representing them good times. Shine on top of the world, brothers and sisters. Queens of Queens. Gold Briscoe. Deborah, Tanya. 0 degrees in this True North original. Forward with a shine of positivity, love, and believe. Everybody's favorite outlaw. The world, man. Don't mind the weather. Don't have a second thing. Coffee's hot, Tanya. But let's shine in the court. Brothers, sisters, David, Mama, King, Gretchen Whitmer, Gretchen's color, color green. Yes, indeed, no matter the weather, no matter the circumstance, you are deep, you are wild with respect and love and admiration and shine. Top of the world, Queens, Queens, Cold Briscoe, Color Break, Shouts Out, Roses County. Thank you, brothers. Thank you, sisters. I love you all. Ice-T, Roses County. Don't worry out. If you don't feel good about walking, thank you, yeah. Don't be coming home. Your own skin. Sit across the world. The Queens, Queens, and the beautiful Gary, and the Silver River, she's on you. Thank you. The beautiful man. I got the world. Brother, sister, my brother. Family and Michelle, I love you. Appreciate you. Sandra, Gloria, yes indeed. You're a two-time. Next time I smile, who wants to get married? I just feel passionate. Thank you, Gretchen Whitmer. Thank you, Ice-T. Thank you, to Cold Briscoe. Thank you, Bones. Thank you, Smith. Thank you, Bones. Yeah. Have a wonderful day. Keep going, Joe. Got in the building. It's on the building. We'll put on a show you've never seen before. If you shine in the corner of the positivity, hope, believe we can shake up the world and shine a light on that hope and that belief. And love what you love with a passion. I love you all.